How to recover Twitter forgotten password. So if you want to recover your Twitter forgotten password, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Go for the search bar and search for Twitter. And once you search for Twitter, you can go for Twitter login. And here, you need to first enter your phone number, email, or your username on the first blank. Or you can also sign in with your Google account, or you can sign in with your Apple. But if you want to reset or recover your account, then enter your email and then click on next. And here you will have forgot password, right? Click on forgot password and you need to enter your email address on the first blank, or you can also enter your phone number. If you don't have access to the email, you can either choose any one of that and then click on next. And here you will have a code which has been sent to the email address that you have just entered. So click on next. So you need to open up your mail and here you will have password reset request. So what you can do is simply copy this code and paste it here and then click on next. And from here you can change your password. So you need to enter your new password on these blanks. You need to again confirm your new password on the next blank. So enter your new passwords and then you can go for change password, which is on the bottom of your screen. And after changing your password will be reset. So that's how you change your password, or that's how you reset or recover your Twitter account password. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.